Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram keeps stopping in my phone. To know how to fix Instagram keeps stopping in my phone. You should just go to settings. As you see, we click like this. After that, in this page you will click apps here, and when you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. Then in this page you will go to force stop. After all that, you can enter to storage, and then you will find this page. You will go to clear cache, then you will click clear data, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi here like this. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.